How to play Overcooked 2 with controller on PC. For this, open up your Steam application or in a web browser, it's fine. Make sure you are logged into your Steam and you have installed your Overcooked 2 on your Steam. So right here, you will see the option of setting in this game as well. But if you want to set a controller setting right from Steam, you just have to tap on the Steam logo given to you at the top, then head to the settings option. Tap on Control. In this list, you will see the option of PlayStation Controller Support. So right now it is enabled in game without support. Make sure you have tapped on Enabled. Now similarly that for input for Switch Pro controllers, make sure it is toggled on as well. Now same for the generic controllers, turn it on. For the option of turn off controllers when exiting big picture mode, it is up to you to toggle it on or toggle it off. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you want to for better performance of your controller as well. If you want to change the setting for a particular game, in your left hand side you will find all of your game. So for an example right here in the game name, let us suppose Overcooked 2. So you have to right click on it, then you have to head to the properties from here and configure the setting according to your preference. And that is how you can play your Overcooked 2 with controller on PC. And those are some of the control guides given to you. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.